¿Qué estás haciendo, güey?
I'm right here fixing this Jeep right here and shit. Normally people think that whenever you get a cylinder misfire, you need to go after the coil. But sometimes, instead of going the easy route, you need to check the fucking spark plug, and that might be your problem right there. Either that or the injector. But in my case, it was a spark plug. Now the truck's running like a beauty. Now I can get rid of this fucking customer.
What it was
Other
doing?
than
What was
that-
it doing?
It was misfiring, shaking a lot. Now it's purring like a kitten. After that, now I just gotta fill it up with Freon and she's out of here. That's pretty much it for today.